I had to record this multiple times to make sure I passed the right meaning of this word and also along the way laughed a lot. So stay tuned because in today's Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word GORBAGOR. GORBAGOR. GORBAGOR is cursed, damned, or accursed. Let's see some phrases. But after phrases, make sure check sentences because they are even more funny. To be damned, damn you. Gör olmak, gör olasan. Like, may you be damned, basically. Damn you. Gör olasan. Ready for sentences? Let's do it. Gör oldu getdi, amma bizi de məhv etdi. Ready to break it apart? Watch. He or she became damned or gone to ruin, but also destroyed us. Let's translate most of it and come back to gör. Bizi de mahvetti, but also destroyed us. Mahvetmek, to destroy. That's the infinitive form. But when you use it in the past tense, it becomes mahvetti. Bizi de, also us. Amma is but. Now, getdi is gone. Görbagör oldu became damned. This is not something nice, by the way, but you may very well hear it because it exists apparently. This is when someone talks behind some people who passed away, but also may have done something that ruined the person who's alive, their life. They have ruined their life, and then this is their way of expressing that this person is gone, damned, this person destroyed me. All right, let's see another sentence. Səni GORBAGOR olasan, ne iş açdın başımıza? Now, may you be damned. What trouble have you caused us? This is like very Shakespearean translation, sounds like. It just basically is a rhetorical lament about the consequences of someone's actions, I wrote here. It's like, damn you. But when they say damn you, they just mean you be cursed, be gone to ruin. What have you done, basically, to us? Ne iş açtın başımıza. These are all words that if you do straight away translation, they don't sound what they mean, but that's what it means. Ne iş, what work, what job, what thing. Açtın, you did opened. Başımıza, to our hand, see? They don't sound, but together they mean you have caused it to us, basically. You brought upon us, right? All right. Now, that was today's word, Gorbagor. Let's see if I have some dad joke use for it. I had a plan and then Monday happened. Now it's Gorbagor. Means the plan is gone to ruin, is damned, right? Thanks for watching. Check masterozurje.com for more. That is for the blogs that I post every 10 days about how to make learning Azerbaijani easier. Until then, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.